Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change our notification edge lighting style in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. Where to look for our notifications options. Settings, then we have notifications right here. Next we are going to notification pop-up style, and here we have edge lighting style. By default it's none, it's turned off, but we have few options here, and here we have our little demo and how it will look like. Let's leave this little rainbow glitter here. Done. And as you can see, our edge lighting style of our notifications has been changed to glitter. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.